So I actually found Dr. Kosdon online after doing weeks of research. Stumbled upon Dr. Kosdon's page and all his reviews that he had and testimonials. Of course, decided to give him a call. And just a little bit about my backstory: I was a severe grinder growing up, to the point where I couldn't even put a finger on a tooth. It was that bad. I completely grinded down my enamel. And after sitting down with Dr. Kosdon, we decided that I needed a full mouth rehab, so full veneers, full crowns, everything. And then after just coming out of that chair and seeing the work that Dr. Kosdon did was absolutely incredible. People that I haven't seen in years, they don't even recognize me anymore. I just want to thank you, Dr. Kosdon, for everything you did. It was incredible. The whole experience was great. Through Lisa, who works in the front, and the hygienist that I deal with for follow-up, has been absolutely incredible. Thank you. You seriously were incredible. My confidence level has boosted. I just want to thank you again, Dr. Kosdon. Appreciate it.